Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be explaining working with brackets. So what does working with brackets mean? Working with brackets mean when an expression has brackets, you normally have to remove the brackets before you can simplify the expression. Removing the brackets is also called as expanding the expression. To remove the brackets, you multiply each term inside the bracket by the number or variables outside the bracket. When you do this, you need to pay attention to the positive and negative signs in front of the terms. For example, we have x, y plus z. So what we will do over here is multiply x with y and multiply x with z. So this will be xy and plus xz. Another example can be x brackets open y minus z. So x multiplied by y and x multiplied by z. So this will be xy minus, because over here we have the minus sign. So you'll write minus xz. So this is how we will do. One of the example will be 4 brackets opened 7 minus 2 7 minus 2x. So first what we will do over here is 4 multiplied by 7 and then 4 multiplied by 2x. So 4 multiplied by 7 is 28 and 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Now over here we will mainly focus on this negative sign. So we have negative. So we will write over here negative, because negative and positive will be negative and positive will be negative. So 28 minus 8x. So the answer will be 28 minus 8x. Another example will be xy multiplied by brackets, inside brackets we'll write 2 minus 3x. So xy 2 minus 3x. So first xy multiplied by 2, then xy multiplied by 3x. So when we multiply xy by 2, which will be, this will be 2xy. Now over here we have minus, over here we have plus. So plus and minus will be minus. Now xy multiplied by 3x. So 3 ones are 3. So we will write 3. Then x multiplied by x will be x squared. And y will be same because there is no y over here. So 3x squared y. So the answer will be 2xy minus 3x squared y. So this is how we will do this equation. So another type of working with brackets include expanding and collecting like terms. So expanding and collecting like terms. So what we will do over here is, first we will expand the equation or the brackets, then we will add all the numbers together which are similar. So for example, over here we have 6 multiplied by x plus 3 plus 4. So first we will multiply 6 by x and 6 by 3. So this will be 6x plus 18 plus 4. Now we will add 18 and 4. What we cannot add 6x, because over here we have only x value number, and over here there is no other number with x. So we will write 6x plus 22. Another example can be 2 brackets open 6x plus 1 minus, with brackets closed, 2x plus 4. Now what we will do over here, first we will expand this bracket and we will write 2 multiplied by 6 and 2 multiplied by 1, which will be 12x plus 2 minus 2x plus 4. So we will add 2x with minus 2x, 12x minus 2x and plus 2 with 4. So this will be 10x and 2 plus 4 is plus 6. So the answer will be 10x plus 6. So this is how we will be doing working with brackets and expanding and collecting like terms. So if you guys understood this video and are clear with this topic, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye.